The growth of Australia compared to Indonesia is immensely different. This is because Australia is one big island and can only support urban areas near coastal areas, as the majority of Australia is desert. On the other hand, Indonesia is made up of smaller islands, making it unevenly distributed across the country, with approximately 68% of the urban population living in Java and the remainder on the outer islands. This creates the problem of population density in the major cities of these countries. Both of these countries' urban sprawl has continued outwards throughout the years, being situated closer to the coastal areas. They have also been restricted by the coastal lines and mountainous highlands, or in Australia's case the desert, where there is not enough water sources of fertile land to support large populations. Approximately 80% of the Australian population live within 50 kilometres of the coast, and 75% live in coastal cities. Population densities in Australia are higher in coastal areas where water is plentiful and climates are more moderate, for example Sydney and Wollongong. This is why the Northern Territory is sparsely populated.
Fertile soils support farming lands along the river valleys, such as the Murray River. The rivers provide an essential water source and a way to travel and explore inland Australia throughout European settlement. We now use it today as the Murray-Darling Basin Authority to bring water to a total area of 470,000 hectares. The gold rush in Australia during the 1850s attracted migrants into Victoria, which grew into Australia's second largest inland city of over 90,000 people. Every region of the island has numerous volcanoes, with the people left to share the remaining flatter land. Because of this, many coasts are heavily populated and cities ring around the valleys surrounding volcanic peaks. Many people travel to Jakarta, risking poverty and poor living conditions, in hope that they will receive a better lifestyle, including job opportunities and better living conditions in the near future. Indonesia receives a lot of rainfall each year and has exceptional fertility, which allows the development of rice cultivation. Rice fields require sophisticated levels of cooperation between villages. This cooperation turned into alliances, which led to small kingdoms.
The rapid pace of urbanisation in Jakarta has given rise to multiple problems such as floods, traffic congestion, poverty, and inequality. Large swaths of the city sit below sea level, with some places sinking 25 centimetres per year and on average 5 to 10 centimetres, particularly because most of its millions of residents suck water through the wells that tap shallow underground aquifers. This means flooding and pollution are a constant, if not life-threatening, challenge for the low-income people that currently call places like North Jakarta home. Jakarta is immensely overpopulated. Therefore, many cars, buses, and motorbikes cause a lot of traffic congestion, which leads to a high amount of air pollution for Jakarta. Because of its dense population, it also has many poor areas where they usually do not have running water or proper sewage systems. This means, in the wet season, open drains can flood and sewage can be washed through the streets, increasing the spread of diseases and infections.